guys, so today we are going to make just coconut soup. We are going to begin with wearing our gloves. Safety comes first. All set, good to go. We now measure our oil. This is now transferred to our pot for heating to our desired temperature. And here we have our oil and butter in our pot for heating to our desired temperature. We are now going to measure our lye and water. We're going to place our water on the side and now prepare to measure our lye. And there you have it, our lye have been measured. We are now going to gently add our lye to the water. And please wear a face mask or dust mask to avoid breathing in that fume from the lye solution, and stir gently. Remember, go careful on this. place aside for cooling for our desired temperature. Pouring our lye water into the oils. To use our stick blender, tap into the bottom of our container and stir gently. Our soap have reached trace, we prepare to pour our soap into mold. Once we have our soap mixed into the mold, we are now going to firmly tap our mold box onto the counter or a table to remove any bubbles within the soap. Here we go. Take a good long look at our mold, our soap in the mold box. And now we are going to allow this soap to sit in for 3 to 4 days before unmolding. So in some cases, I unmold within 24 hours. It depends on your recipe. And guys, welcome back. We are now ready to unmold our soap. look at this, guys. We have our beautiful smooth cut. Ooh, I can't wait to use this in the shower. And yes, I do sample each batch of soap that I create, even if it's the same recipe. I just like to ensure that I have a go at each of my soap batch. And this is our final cut. And I really love the texture that I created. Makes it very nice and unique in its own way. And that's it for now. Thank you for viewing, for watching, and yes, this is the end. So guys, this has brought us to the end of the video. Happy soaping, happy bath and body, made with love. Thank you so much. Like and subby. Bye for now.